Hello everyone, this is Surabhi Pandey and I'm doing my BSc Honours in Data Sciences and Artificial Intelligence from IIT Guwahati. I'm here to present my internship project which I did for the subject code DA377 during my seventh trimester. My project was that I was working in High Bionics Private Limited company as an ML intern, and my problem statement was that I had to work on fall detection system. So due due to company policies, I'm not allowed to show everything which I did, but I will present what a little bit of glimpse what I did. What I worked on that I trained many models such as random forest, XGBoost, KNN, and these data sets on different two types of publicly available data sets like Follett dataset and sysfol dataset. So I will present my little bit glimpse of work which I did, and I will present my metrics of what I got. This is what I got as my metric. So like I said, that I've worked on two data sets like sysfol and folate. These two data sets are publicly available data sets, and I trained these data sets on random forest classifier, XGBoost classifier, KNN SVM, and folate work based on two models which I trained. They were random forest classifier and XGBoost. So here I present my metrics. Class one here is actually fall and class zero is ADL. Let me first introduce what exactly fall and ADL is. So fall is definitely human fall. When a human falls, the label comes out to be one. And zero is ADL. ADL is activity of daily life, like when we are walking, when we are running, when we are jumping, when we are sitting. That gives us label or class as zero. These are just ADL works. So ADL class. ADL system. So this is what this is about. So my exact pipeline of work was that I had to collect data set. I had to clean those data sets. I have to go through many pre-processing steps like let's say that I had to do feature extractions and resampling of the data sets and everything. So this is what I did. Then training, testing. I like splitting the data set into training and testing parts, then scaling. Then if we had I had to like label and encode the labels and then I had to train models, different models, which I have presented here, which I talked about earlier, and then evaluate on the different metrics like accuracy, precision, recall. So why exactly? Our main focus was on like maximizing the recall. Why recall? Because it increases like it when a recall is high, when we know that the recall is high, that means the false negatives are the least. So even when a person falls, what will happen is that we will get the number of falls. Like if a person is falling, we will get that a person is falling and not that the person is actually standing or doing an ADL. So the missed chances of detecting a fall would be the least. So this is what I worked on. So this is the metrics. The metrics are like these. So we can say that the random forest classifier, when the data set was sampled at 50 hertz and 13 features, different features like statistical features were extracted, it gave the highest accuracy and the highest recall. As we can see, random forest gave 0.96, that means 96% of accuracy, and for fall class, it gave 85% of recall for sysfall dataset. And when we talk about folate, 50 hertz and 13 features again gave the highest accuracy of 82% and highest recall for fall class to be 60%. So this was all my work due to company policies. I can't tell more in detail. So thank you so much.